Agentic AI just dropped, and it's making waves in the AI space. So let's dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software. Stick around to the end, because I'll also give you a special chance to try Agentic AI for free, no strings attached, and my top AI software recommendations after testing thousands of tools. So, if you're new to Agentic AI, this video is packed with what you need to get up to speed quickly. First up, Agentic AI is a powerhouse in automation. Whether you're managing digital marketing, sales funnels, or customer interactions, this tool promises to supercharge productivity with minimal effort. But does it live up to the hype? Absolutely. It stands out by automating tasks that typically require human input, saving you hours a week. One of its core features is its robust yet intuitive interface. Even if you're not a tech pro, you can get started without hitting roadblocks. That's a huge plus for anyone who doesn't want to waste time learning complicated software. Next, let's talk about the flexibility. Agentic AI supports everything from automating emails to managing entire workflows. It integrates with various platforms, meaning you don't have to worry about spending time manually connecting tools. This kind of flexibility makes it an easy fit for businesses of all sizes, especially if you're looking to scale fast. Now, here's where Agentic AI really shines. The AI algorithms behind it aren't just smart. They learn and adapt based on your business's needs. The more you use it, the better it gets at predicting what tasks you need to automate next. It's essentially a virtual assistant that gets more intuitive the more you work with it, which is a game changer for anyone in digital marketing. Another feature you'll love is its deep analytics. Agentic AI gives you insights into how well your automations are performing, letting you tweak and optimize your strategies in real time. You'll be able to see what's working, what's not, and adjust accordingly. This is crucial for anyone running campaigns, as staying ahead of trends is vital. But here's the kicker. Agentic AI is highly customizable. Unlike other AI software that comes with a rigid structure, Agentic allows you to tailor its features to your specific needs. Want to set up complex workflows or simplify things for a small campaign? You can do it. The level of customization ensures that it's not just a one-size-fits-all tool, but one that adapts to your unique requirements. Now, if you're wondering about pricing, this is where Agentic AI really stands out. They offer a completely free version, which is a rarity in the AI space. This means you can test it out without any financial commitment. But don't just take my word for it. Click the link below to get started and try it for yourself. Finally, the support team is exceptional. Whether you're facing a technical issue or need some guidance on how to use a feature, their support team is responsive and highly knowledgeable. It's a big relief to know that there's a team behind the software ready to assist if anything goes wrong. To wrap up, if you're in the market for a versatile, easy to use and powerful AI tool, Agentic AI is definitely worth checking out. With its ability to automate tasks, integrate seamlessly with your existing tools, and adapt to your business needs, it's quickly becoming one of the top AI software solutions out there. Don't forget, you can try it completely free through the first link in the description. And if you're looking for other AI tools to try, I've included my recommended options down below. These are the tools I've tested and trust to help with everything from automation to marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.